Let's continue with group 14 elements, that is the carbon family. Carbon, silicon, carbon with atomic number 6, silicon with 14, germanium 34, tin 50, lead 82 are the members of group 14. Carbon is the 17th most abundant element by mass in the earth crust. Occurrence: carbon is widely distributed in nature in free as well as in combined state. In elemental state, it is available as a coal, graphite, diamond, and fullerene. However, in combined state, it is present as metal carbonates, hydrocarbons, and carbon dioxide gas, which is 0.03% in air. Naturally occurring carbon contains three isotopes, C12, C13. In addition to these, the third isotope, carbon-14, is also present, which is radioactive. It is radioactive isotope with a half-life of 5,770 years and is used in radiocarbon dating, that is used to determine the age of fossil fuels containing carbon. Silicon is the second most abundant element in the earth crust, 27.7% by mass after oxygen, and it is present in nature in the presence in the form of silica, that is SiO2, and silicates. Silicon is very important component of ceramics, glass and cement. Germanium exists only in traces. Tin occurs mainly as tin stone or cassiterite SnO2. Lead occurs as galena PbS, anglesite PbSO4, cerussite PbCO3. The last member, quantium 114, is recently discovered element. It is synthetic, radioactive and unstable element. Not much is known about its property. Ultra pure form of germanium and silicon are used to make transistors and semiconductor devices. Physical properties. All group 14 elements are solids. Carbon and silicon are nonmetals. Germanium is metalloid, whereas tin and lead are soft metals with low melting points. Melting and boiling points of group 14 are much higher than those of corresponding elements of group 13. Atomic and physical properties of group 14 elements: atomic number carbon 6, silicon 14, germanium 32, tin 50, lead 82. Atomic mass carbon 12, silicon 28.9, germanium 72.6, tin 118.71, lead 207.2. Electronic configuration ns2np2 in all cases. Covalent radius goes on increasing down the group. Carbon 77, silicon 118, germanium 122, tin 140, lead 146. Ionic radius of +4 cation, carbon +4 does not form, silicon has 40 picometer, germanium 53, tin 69, lead 78, means ionic radius goes on increasing in +4 oxidation state. +2 radius is not known with carbon as well as silicon, but germanium, tin and lead, it goes on increasing down the group. Although increase is not much from tin to lead due to poor shielding effect of F electrons in lead, due to which effective nuclear charge increases. Ionization enthalpy. First ionization enthalpy goes on decreasing down the group, but tin has lowest and not lead. Reason is poor shielding effect of D and F electrons in lead, due to which effective nuclear charge increases. Electronegativity first decreases, then remains constant. Lead has got slightly higher than tin due to poor shielding effect of F electrons. Effective nuclear charge increases. As compared to diamond, density goes on increasing down the group, except silicon has slightly lower as compared to diamond, otherwise it goes on increasing down the group. Melting point in general goes on decreasing down the group, but tin has lowest and not lead. Boiling point also goes on decreasing down the group. Electrical resistivity, graphite shows electrical resistivity, whereas silicon and germanium are semiconductors. They have resistivity higher, lower than the carbon, This is carbon in the form of diamond will have high resistivity and low conductivity. Silicon will have low resistivity and high conductivity, whereas tin and lead are metals, they have got very low resistivity and high conductivity. Electronic configuration. The valence shell electronic configuration is NS2 and P2. The inner core of electronic configuration of elements in this group also differs. Covalent radii. The covalent radii of group 15 are smaller than corresponding elements of group 13, reason being that they are smaller in size due to greater effective nuclear charge. This is because effective nuclear charge increases, hence covalent radius decreases due to stronger attractive forces of nucleus on the outer electrons or valence electrons. However, covalent radii of group 14 elements regularly increase down the group. This is due to increase in number of shells, therefore effective nuclear charge decreases. It is primarily due to addition of new energy shell in each successive elements. The increase in covalent radii from silicon onwards is, however, small due to ineffective shielding of valence electrons by intervening d and f electrons, which have poor shielding effect. Next, we have ionization enthalpy. The first ionization enthalpy of group 14 are higher than those of group 13 due to their smaller atomic size and greater effective nuclear charge. This is because greater effective nuclear charge due to smaller size of group 14 elements. However, the ionization energy goes on decreasing down the group from carbon to tin. The decrease is very sharp from carbon to silicon, while there is slight increase in the first ionization enthalpy of lead as compared to tin due to poor shielding effect of F electrons, effective nuclear charge increases. So carbon has higher than silicon, silicon has higher than germanium, germanium has higher than tin, but tin has lower than lead. So tin has lowest ionization energy in this group. The decrease in ionization enthalpy down the group from carbon to tin is due to increase in atomic size and screening effect of the inner electrons, which outweigh the effect of increased nuclear charge. However, the small increase in ionization enthalpy from tin to lead is due to the effect of increased nuclear charge outweighs the shielding effect due to the presence of additional 4f and 5d electrons which have poor shielding effect. Electronegativity. The elements of group 14 are more electronegative than group 13 because of their smaller size. Electronegativity, however, decreases down from carbon to silicon, remains constant from silicon to tin, and then slightly increases for lead. It is due to the fact that effective nuclear charge does not increase appreciably from silicon to tin due to poor shielding effect of d and f electrons. So effective nuclear charge does not decrease appreciably, and electronegativity also almost remains the same. In case of lead, due to poor shielding effect, effective nuclear charge slightly increases. That's why electronegativity slightly increases. Metallic character, due to large ionization enthalpies, the elements of this group are less metallic than the corresponding group 13 elements. On moving down the group, metallic character increases due to the decrease in ionization enthalpy, whereas non-metallic character decreases due to decrease in electronegativity. Melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points of group 14 elements are much higher than those of 13 elements. This is due to the reason that atoms of group 14 form 4 covalent bonds with each other. Hence, there exists strong binding force between their atoms both in solid state as well as in liquid state. That is the reason their melting point is higher than group 13 elements. Further, the melting and boiling points decrease as we move down the group due to corresponding decrease in interatomic forces of attraction. However, melting point of tin is lower than that of lead due to weak metallic bond.